channel, Trindagado Stuffs! Nadine, what's our do stuff for today?
Today we are going to be making slime. We're going to be making slime today.
Pri, what are we going to do today? What?
Lalo slime.
Lalo slime! So, Nadine, tell them what do we have here?
We have activator, 2 glues, color for the slime,
Yes?
scent, and beads.
It's a pretty container. Okay, so at the other side, we have this pink glue. Sleepy? We have this pink glue. We have a unicorn styro beads. And of course, an activator. At saka, meron din bunny charm. At saka syempre panghalo. Tapos, may guest pala tayo. Kay sinong guest natin?
Ethan!
Ethan! The Pogi! Okay, alis na ako dito para sila na lang ang gagawa ng slime. So, alin ang unahin nyo dito? Which one first? So, this is 2 sets. So, we're doing this one first. Okay? Okay, kids! Kayo na ang mag-mix ng slime, ha? Tuturo ko na lang. Okay. So, glue muna. Ate Nadj, where's your glue? Ate Nadj has a pink glue. Okay. Pour your glue in the mixing container. How about you, Prim? Pour your glue here. And you, Kuya Ethan. All of it. Dami. Wow! Nice one, Prim. So, yung kay Ate Nadj, may kulay na. Hindi na kailangan ng colorant. Ate Nadj, may amoy ba yan? Meron?
I still have so many.
Prim, are you done?
I'm still not done with that. There's still little. Mine.
Okay, I think you're done. And now, let's put the beads. So, hati-hati kayo sa beads, ha? Hati-hati. Para lahat kayo meron ng beads. You'll share. Ate Dayan, can you please open this? Nadj, you open this first. You pour some on your glue. Tapos, ipasa mo kay Prim, okay?
Super many glues.
Wow, this is so colorful. Is that a rainbow beads? Oops. Prim, put it into your bowl. Okay, I think that's enough. Next, Prim, put some to your glue. Put some here. Let Mama put yours. Wow, it's so colorful. Kuya Ethan, here's yours. You put. Ate Nadj, next one. Here's the unicorn bead.
It's okay now.
It's all pastel colors. Okay, next for Prim.
Okay, that's done.
Oh, Prim! Why did you try to eat? It's not edible. Tissue. Don't eat the beads. It's not candies. It's styro beads. It's so messy in here, guys. Okay, you done? So what about these white beads? Let's keep the other beads so that we can use it for later.
So many beads.
Ethan, saidin mo yung glue mo. Baka meron pa.
Okay.
Oh, add the white one, please.
There's no more. Oh man.
So, what about glitters? Do you want to put some glitters?
Yes. I want some.
Ate Dayan, please open these glitters.
I'm gonna mix it.
Do you want this or that's enough? Do you want this? Okay. Prim, do not touch first. It doesn't have activator pa. Kuya Ethan, I think that's enough.
This is I'm gonna put it there.
Okay, then we add some glitters. Okay, while Ate Nadj is putting glitters, Kuya Ethan, put colors to your, what's this? Let's see. This is let's focus this one. Purple color. Okay, open Kuya Ethan and add a few drops in your slime. Ate Nadj, can you open this scent? Okay, Kuya Ethan, add a few drops. Maybe 3? Count. 1? One more? 2? 3. What about for Prim?
How about Prim?
One,
Oh my god.
two, just two. Then let's add some scent to
Do not
Ate
mix
Nadj's.
still. Do not mix.
Okay, what's this? Focus. Yeah, that's the slime fairy scent. So we bought this slime kit from Shopee, from the slime fairy.
Guys, if you want some slime, but
Oops.
it's Shopee.
It's so good smell. What's the smell? It smells like watermelon, right? So okay, add the activator. So no, wait, we forgot this.
Oh yeah.
Let's put it on Prim's slime. Open.
She's the little.
She's the little one.
Yeah.
Yes, all of it. The bunny, because Prim loves bunnies, right, Prim?
Yes.
Because we have a lot of bunnies here, right, Prim?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next na?
Oh my god, you're coloring the bunny.
So let's put the activator na. Ate Dayan, can you hold the camera and I will help Prim with her. Okay, I'm gonna splash it. You mix. Okay.
Can you help me?
Can I help you? Okay, mix well, mix well, mix well. So, Prince? Okay, Prim, mix
Oh my
yours.
god, it's sticking the stick.
Let Mama help you mix.
Ako din.
Okay, you do it, okay.
Oh my god, there's activator in my head.
Go, Kuya, mix well. You need more activator or that's enough?
More.
I think that's enough. So, it's squishy.
Okay.
It's really good smell. I think Ate Nadj needs more activator. What about you, Prim? Mix well, Prim. Mix. Yan. Kuya, kulang yata ng kulay sa'yo. What color? Alright? So, while they're mixing their slime, babalik kami pag okay na, pag buo na. Let's scent.
Oh, para mabango.
Oh, mix, Prim. Wow! Kuya Ethan, are you having fun? So here are your containers. One for Prim Ethan, one for Prim, and one for Ate Nadj.
What are we gonna add here? What are we gonna add?
For your done. Nadikit pa yata yung kay Prim. Ayos na yung kay Prim. Feeling ko. Let's see who has the best slime. I will judge. Who has the best slime? Okay, put your slimes on the table. Put it out of the container.
Wait.
Kuya Ethan, wow, nice one, Prim. Go, squish it. Kuya Ethan, are you done with your container?
Yeah. Oh my god,
Put
it's
this
that's-
more activator. Go, Ethan.
Oh my god, it's stickering.
Go, mix it well. You have to knead it. You're like making some bread. Go, Prim. Nice one, Prim. You look. Prim has a bunny charm. Ate Nadj, nice
I
one.
want to stick it. Hey, stop sticking. This balls. Oh my god.
Ethan, show your slime. It has a lot of beads. Look at Prim's slime consistency. And Ate Nadj, put this one. Nice. It has sumit, Ate.
I'm gonna wash.
It has glitters. Focus.
Oh no,
Glitters in it.
the bunny.
This one is Ate
The
Nadj.
lucky charm bunny.
What about Prim's? Okay. Nice.
Is this gonna be my slime? No. Oh my god.
May you see your slime? That's Kuya Ethan's slime. Here's the finished product. The slimes. This one's by Ate Nadj. And then next is this one by Prim. And then Ethan's. So we're done. So say bye, guys.
Bye. Subscribe, like, and share. There's so many beads.
Say bye, Prim.
Bye. There's so many beads. Bye.